Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna share with you all how many nail polish do I have, and the first two people who gonna guess it right or gonna be like near to the exact number of nail polish gonna win an extra entry in the giveaway. So for example, if you just did a single entry, you're gonna be entered as a double entry, and if you already did a double entry, you're gonna enter another time. So you're gonna have 3 entries. Hopefully you're gonna like this video, so I'm gonna leave with you with the music in background. Soon there will no longer be pollution. Shining brighter than all the diamonds. There will be a different horizon. One day we will all come to Zion. Strong as a lion, we can be silenced. No, there's a busy answer to all of this. Even in a hateful heart it exists. Why can't we just all get along now? It's been too long, yeah. We gotta reunite, yeah.
Look inside yourself. Can you see beyond your mind? Can you shed a light on the treasure that you are? Can you be at ease for a moment? Can you feel the peace and the zone in everything that you are? You
So this is it for today's video. Hopefully you liked it, and I will see you next video. Bye.